Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TabLab here, and today I'm going to show you some new features that Cash App has added for stock investing in their app. It's funny because I made a feature request list like a year back when they first released stocks, and they're continuing to release all of the features on that list. They probably never saw the list, but it's just cool to see that like stuff that I was interested in, they keep putting that out. So the first feature, you can go to search in the top right corner. Then we have this bar here that scrolls sideways. You can tap on advanced, and now you can search for stocks that give you dividends. So just hit this checkbox, tap apply, and now it's only going to show dividend yielding stocks. Along with that feature, just like we request, it now shows way more key stats within the app. So we're looking at the Apple stock right now. We can scroll down here and see way more information under key stats. We've got share price, market cap, revenue over 12 months, revenue growth, gross profit, net profit. And then we can swipe right here for more information. Today's volume, average volume, PE ratio, I'm not sure what that is, so there's a little information icon next to each thing. Price to earnings ratio, operating margin, and dividend yield, which is 0.69%. If we tap information there, it's going to say the percentage of holdings in a company an investor can expect to receive in dividends each year. Dividends are a periodic distribution from a company to its shareholders. Not all stocks issue dividends. So it's cool that now within the app we can see what stocks provide dividends and the annual percentage yield. So what this means, if you own about $100,000 worth of Apple stock, you'll get roughly $690 per year. Wow, that's terrible. You guys should really look into cryptocurrencies and lending out stable coins if you're into stocks for dividend reasons. But yeah, there's some cool new features. That information provided on each stock is super useful. I really like that. In a previous video I showed this one. You can now do custom purchase orders, which is like limit orders. Basically you place an order in an order book and it buys or sells at that price. And in this search here, we just have way more options. You can get into categories, earnings reports, dividend yields, performance over a select time period. So they're getting some pretty advanced stuff in here. I love to see that. I would love to see more of that integrated into the crypto section, into the Bitcoin section. And I really want to see them add more cryptocurrencies. Maybe I should do a separate video on this. But I just want to know why they aren't adding more cryptocurrencies. I want to hear Jack, CEO of Square, talk about this. I don't know if he's like a Bitcoin maximalist or what's going on, but I'd just love to hear them give some updates so people aren't just sitting here in the dark wondering, yo, are they ever going to add more cryptocurrencies? Or did they see Bitcoin as the only cryptocurrency, or what's going on over there, you know? But there you have it. Cool new features for stocks in Cash App. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.